guys, today I have an unboxing from Amazon and I'm way excited. So let's get into this. Alright. Well, looks like these didn't do much good. Let's see what we have here. Okay, so this is the YJ angle or axis cube, so that's cool. Here is the ShengShou 6x6. Here is the Cube for You 3x3x5. Here is the Mouse Cube. And here is the mini Weilong that I got for one-handed. Okay, let's start out with this. Alright, so I've never had one of these before. One of my friends had these, but I've seen them. They look cool, so I decided to get one. And wow, this looks cool. And it looks a lot harder than my Mirror Cube. Oh, I can tell you that. This turns really nicely. So yeah, I'm gonna have to play with that. That's awesome. Okay, 6x6. Okay, wow. Turns pretty well. It seems a bit tight. Yeah, that's really tight. It's pretty smooth. It has a scratchy feeling, but this looks way awesome. So, I've never had a 6x6. I've never even played with one. And I don't actually have a 5x5 right now, but I have solved one a couple times. So, yeah, I am getting a 5x5 though. So, it's pretty cool. Aha! The cube. This turns awesome. And I think I remember how to solve it. Let me test this out. Okay. And I'm definitely not fast at it yet. But this is turning really well. Almost there. And there we go, it's solved. That's pretty awesome. I really like the clicky thing. There's a ball bearing in there that makes it clicky. But I won't show you that right now. I'll make a review and show you. Okay, Weilong. Hey, so sorry, this is actually a couple days after I actually unboxed these, and I didn't get to do these last two. Well, I did, but then when I was editing it, somehow half of the video got corrupted, the last half, so I'm just going to be redoing the first impressions of these two. So here's the Weilong. I haven't done anything to it, like lubed or anything. It's still pretty brand new. But I have done some solves on it, and it actually has already gotten me my PB for one-handed, which is why I got it, which was a 44-second solve, which is actually pretty good for me. So yeah, this is really good for one-handed. It's quite smooth, and it's a lot more stable than the Oolong, but it's not nearly as fast. So it's really good though. It's nice for one-handed because it's really stable, so you can, yeah. So hopefully this will get me into one-handed more. And here is the last one, Cube for You, 3x3x5. And so I did attempt to solve this, and I have solved it once. It was really difficult, and I think I'm going to look up a tutorial on YouTube so I can solve it a lot faster, because I was kind of just like fiddling around with it, and I solved it. But it turns really nice, and I'm just going to show you the mechanism right now. So these are just regular edge pieces, but then they've been split to give it the extra 2 layers. So that's kind of cool. And this thing has a red core in there, which is pretty neat. If you haven't seen these before, basically you have to jumble these layers up first, like this, before you start going like this. Because once you do this, you can't turn these, it bandages itself. So that's really cool. Oh no, I scrambled it again. I'm gonna have to solve that. But yeah, these cubes are way cool. I did figure out all of them. This one's, I really like the 6x6 for some reason. I enjoy it a lot more than the 5x5. It turns really well. And this one is way cool as well. I think I like this one more than the mirror cube. So that's pretty much it for this unboxing video and first impressions. I would definitely recommend getting all these cubes. They all turn really nice, and these are going to be fun to play around with some more. So thanks for watching, guys.